What's up, everybody? Adolf here at Javelina Harley-Davidson, located in Bernie, Texas. We have the new bike of the week, which would be this 2020 Road King in Billiard Red. This bike has been customized and designed by our parts and service team there. They give you a Kahuna style grip, floorboard, and passenger board collection, chrome forks, chrome axle covers. We have a chrome wheel front and back. The bike has also Cobra slip-on pipes. It has its rider backrest, passenger backrest, and King's luggage rack. This bike has a quick release windshield for those of you that love wind in your face and want no resistance. This bike is available for sale, located here at Javelina Harley-Davidson, the gateway to the hill country.